Bon dia, Uri.
Bon dia.
Bon dia. Ja posa el cap, És divendres i estem aquí a casa l'Oriol, esmorzant i fent música perquè vosaltres ens pengeu els temes al Facebook, aquells que voleu que versionem, aquells que voleu sentir. I avui atenem la petició del Quim Ahuasca, que ens ha demanat un tema de la Joni Mitchell que es diu Cherokee Louise. Cherokee Louise is hiding in this corner in the Broadway Bridge. We are crawling on your knees, we got a flash like the batteries, we were cold cuts from the fridge. Lies in about this time we used to climb amid the branches just to sway there in some rays. Now the cops on the street, they walk Cherokee Louise. People like to talk, talkers on the bed, in all the fences, begging all the phones. On the doors, a looking good she come, and we got to our house where I don't know where she go. To the place where you can stand and press your hands like it's a bottle violin. That's my heart tells me I wander the street, my friend, Cherokee Louise. Ever since we turned facing, it's like a minefield. Walking to the door, going out, you get a good degree, and coming you get the war. To say after school, we bought on the panties on the rails, and when the train went by, we would jump and roll like fools, going, look no heads and tails, look my looking right. She rounds so good foster that he opens up to see her on the inside to Paris. Always be happy, my friend, Cherokee Louise. Cherokee, 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 Cherokee Louise. Cherokee, 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 Cherokee Louise. Cherokee Louise is hiding in the stone in the Broadway Bridge. Cherokee Louise. So you're crawling on your knees, we got a flashlight and batteries, we got cold cocks from the fridge. Last year about these times we used to climb under the branches just to sway down in some rays. Now the cops on the street, they walk Cherokee Louise. Oh, Cherokee Louise. Cherokee Louise. So Cherokee Louise. Cherokee Louise. Oh, Cherokee Louise. Cherokee Louise. Oh, Cherokee Louise. Cherokee Louise. Moltes gràcies, bon cap de setmana, porteu-vos bé i no correu per les carreteres. Adéu-siau.